The first thing to try is to use the wake word and then say call Santa. Call Santa.
Sorry, OPA call Santa isn't supported in this region.
Now, if you get a negative response from Google, what you're going to want to do is inside the Google Home application, hit the settings button on the main page, go into there and change your home address to really any address in the United States. Once you do this, give it a few minutes and then you're able to use that wake word to call Santa.
Call Santa.
Hello there, North Pole Switchboard. My name is Gumdrop, connecting you to Santa in the recording studio.
What's a better type of horn? An air horn or a kazoo? Okay, sure. Sometimes I need one of those to wake up the elves.
If you're looking for more ways to utilize Google Home with your kids here for the Christmas season, there is a link to a video down below. Otherwise, you can subscribe to either our tutorials channel or our main channel, Automate Your Life.